I'm hoping to do this video and you guys can see. You guys see this? I literally see, I was excited because this popped open, right? But then I noticed that it had little spots on the side. And then as I look closer, look at all these bugs. Look at them. Now I got something I'm gonna start treating the plant with, but how do you as a plant mom get rid of this, and what do you do to get rid of this? They're so tiny you can't even see them, but they're all in this. Now I see why this plant was so damaged and had issues. So now I gotta really get in here and clean this plant. Really get in here and clean this plant. But I wanted you guys to see this is like one of the problems. I don't know what these specifically are called. I don't know if these are the mealybug things that people talk about, but I'm showing you up. Yeah, but I'm showing you up close in person. That way you can tell me how you got rid of them or how you fixed them. It's like a little thin web. If I didn't put this light on, you would not even be able to see it. Like literally, let me cut the light off and show you. Like it's really not noticeable until you really get up on the plant and get really close. But this is what these little bugs look like. I'm getting ready to take some Dawn dish liquid and a little bit of water for right now and just wipe them and get all into them. But yeah, it's creeping me out. But this is why I don't want millions of plants and a whole bunch of plants. As of now, I can't see myself having that many because I want to make sure that I can take care of them. And now that I'm getting close and looking at that, I'm looking at other areas and there are a lot of little ones. Like I see them moving on this. See them moving on this. So this is plant mom issues. And this is one of the things that some people don't like about plants, but this is not an end all. You definitely can fix this and remedy this. So don't worry about it, but this is up close and personal telling you about that. I did some trimming on this plant, and what I like to do is I trim at least once a week. I'll look and see what needs to be trimmed. I missed a couple, so I'll go trim like black tips and stuff like that and stuff that was on it when I first got it. I try not to trim it all the way down, but every week or so I trim more. That way it becomes more healthier and not trying to struggle to feed the areas that it doesn't need to feed. So I'm gonna go in here and trim some more, but I'm gonna do some major wiping on this bad boy. So yeah, that's it. And if I remember, I'll come back and show you the leaves and stuff after I wiped it down. This is after I wiped it. The web is gone and all the bugs are basically gone from this. But yeah, now I see where this little marks are coming from. But yeah, I did wipe that really well. I wiped a lot of these leaves down really well. Still got a lot more wiping to do, but you can see that little web and all that stuff is gone.